Can you tell me a little bit about what a food co-op is?
It's a grocery store owned by the people who shop there. So anyone who comes into our co-op can pay $56 one time only, and become an owner of this grocery store. So their dollars are votes. Every time they buy something, they're voting for that product. So it's very community-based. We actually become a social center in some instances. We see people sometimes for 3 meals a day. Yeah.
Oh, wow, okay. And so what is your connection to the farmer?
We make contracts in the wintertime with our farmers, and so that they know how much seed stock to buy. And then we set prices. So even if there's a drought or a flood, as long as they can bring their product to us, we'll give them the same price that we negotiated.
Oh.
Then we have producer profiles. We go to their farm, we write stories. We really want our owners to know their farmer, know where their food is coming from. We always tell them, if you can't buy direct from a farmer, we want you to know who grew your food. That's why all of our produce is labeled with the farm, the local farm name. So having a connection to their farmer is important, and education. All co-ops have a principle to educate the owners of their co-op, and so we spend copious amounts of time providing information on everything from bulk to meat to nutritional foods, organic, the whole 9 yards.